Hello everyone, welcome to the Click IS. In this video, we are going to discuss about the percentage. This is the first part. Second part will be uploaded tomorrow, and we will discuss more conceptual topics in the next video. So let's understand what is percentage. So percent simple means per 100. Okay, what does this mean? Suppose I have 100 rupee and I gave 75 to someone. So what portion I have given is the percentage. So out of 100 I have given him 75. So 75% of the rupee that I had I have given to someone. Okay. Let's take another example. Suppose 126 rupee out of 200 I have given to someone. Then we are supposed to find out percentage, right? And the percentage is per 100. So how many hundreds are here? So there are 200, 100, then another 100, and it becomes 200, right? So there are total 200s. Similarly, just like if we divide this by 2, we get the number of hundred. Similarly, if we will divide here by 2, we will get the per 100 value. So 126 by 2 will give us 63. So 63%. I hope this was clear now. Let's take another example. Suppose a student scores 600 out of 1200. So we have to find out the percent, means per 100 score. So in 12 hundreds, how many hundreds are there? Total 12. So let's divide it by 12 and we will give 50%. Okay. So this is the basic idea behind the percent. And the formula for this is fractional value divided by total multiplied with 100. For example, take this one only, 600 out of 1200. So fractional value is 600. Total value was 1200 multiplied by 100. This will cancel. So 100 by 2 equal to 50%. Hope this makes sense now. Now there are some different type of questions which we get in the UPSC exam. We will understand them one by one with a normal method along with some alternative methods, or sometimes we call it shortcuts. So first of all, let's understand the basic methods for each question along with the conceptual ones and the shortcuts as well. First type of questions that we have seen in PYQs are a numerical value will be given along with a percentage data. This is the first question. It says Sangeeta travels 60 kilometers. So this is the numerical data, okay, and covers 30% of a race of a journey. What is the total distance of the travel? The question is very simple, that Sangeeta has traveled 60 kilometers, which is actually 30% of a total journey. The first method is, let's assume that total journey was a kilometer. Okay, out of a kilometer, C has covered 60 kilometer, and 60 kilometer is 30% of A. This means 30% of A is equal to 60. Here of means multiplication, percent means divided by 100. Also remember, percent also means by 100, divided by 100. Okay, so 30% of means 30% means by 100, of means multiplication, A equal to 60. Now if we solve this, we will get, this will become 2, this will become 1, and then A will be 2 into 100, that is equal to 200 kilometer. So this is one method, which is formula. Let's try one shortcut method. So as I told you, percentage means by 100. So 30% equal to 30 by 100. Now look at this. This is the 100% value and this is the 30% value. So we can write it 3 by 10 as well if we simplify this. Okay. This 10 is given as, we have assumed as A, right? The total travel we have assumed as A, 100%, which is 10 here. And 3 is given as 60. 3 is given as 60. Then 10 will be 60 by 3 into 10, that is 200 kilometer, right? Let's take a different example to understand this fraction method. Suppose you have to find out the 76% of 25. Okay, so here comes another concept, x percent of y equal to y percent of x. So here it says 76% of 25, which is bit difficult to convert this 76 into percentage. So it becomes 76 by 100, and then we break it, it becomes 19 by 25, which is quite difficult to solve. So we can simply write down 25% of 76, because x percent of y equal to y percent of x. Now 25% will be 25 by 100, which is 1 by 4. So 1 by 4 equal to 76. Okay, and we have to find the 25%. So 4 is 1 by 4 of 76 will be 19. Okay, just understand this one. It says we have to find the 25% of 76, and 25% is 1 by 4. So we need to find out the 1 by 4 of 76, that is 19. Let's try next question. A man spends 20% of his salary on food, 15 on rent, and 35% on other expenses. So first of all, three expenses are given: 20% food, 15 rent, 30 other expenses. So let's add them. 20 plus 15 plus 35 equal to 70%. So means 70% of his salary he spends. Okay. Then what is the saving? If 70% is the expenditure, then 30% will be your saving. And the question says, if the saving is 9,000, then what is his salary? So assume the salary is A again, and it says the saving is 9,000, and in percentage saving is 30%. So both the values are given. Percentage value we have found that it's 30%, that is the saving, and numerical value is 9,000. So 30% of A is equal to 9,000. So we have to find out the 100%. Okay, so 30% of A equal to 9,000. So 30% means 500 into A equal to 9,000. This will cancel out and it becomes 300. It becomes 300, and then A equal to 30,000. So this is the answer. Let's try the alternate method. It is given 3 by 10 equal to, because 30% is 3 by 10. 30% equal to 30 by 100, and it turns out 3 by 10. 3 by 10 is given as 9,000. We have to find the full salary, that is 10. So 10 will be equal to 9,000 by 3 into 10. That is 90,000 by 3, that is equal to 30k. Okay, so fraction method is very easy. I mean, it's not just convenient, but it's very shortcut. If you get such straightforward questions, it will just take 5 to 10 seconds to solve. That's why I'm telling you this method as well. A student has to get 40% marks to pass in an examination. Suppose he gets 30% marks and fails by 30 marks. Then what are the maximum marks of in the examination? It says that passing mark is 40%. Passing marks are 40%. He scores 30 and fails by 30. Okay, means 30 plus 30 equal to 60 is the passing marks. Now both the values are given. 40% is the passing marks, that is 60. Let's solve it. So by simple method, suppose full marks are A, so 40% of A equal to 60. So 40 into A by 100 equal to 60. 0 will cancel it. This will become 25 and it will become 1. 25 into 6 equal to 150. Now let's try the same with the fraction method. 40 becomes 4 by 10 or 2 by 5. you can pick 4 by 10, okay, or 2 by 5, both will work. 4 by 10, 4 is given as 60, so 10 will be 60 into 10 by 4. This one will cancel this one, so 15 to 10 equal to 150, right? So this is the alternate method.